Get ready for an Android revolution. Exciting news from the world of Android. Google is gearing up to unveil a brand new feature that will supercharge the way your devices connect. Think about it, just like magic, your Android gadgets, all linked to your single Google account, will start working together in perfect harmony. Picture this. Apple has their cool continuity thing that lets you answer iPhone calls on their Macs and iPads. Guess what? Android is cooking up something just as awesome. So here's the scoop. When all your Android pals are hanging out under one Google account roof, you're in for some seriously cool treats. First up, there's the dazzling call switching. It's like this. You're chatting away on one Android gadget and zap. You can smoothly switch the call to another one, like a total boss. Easy peasy. And then hold onto your hats. There's the mind-blowing internet sharing. Imagine this. Your main device has the internet power, and with a snap of your fingers, you can share that connection with your other Android amigos. Just like a superhero hotspot. No complicated setups, no fuss. But wait, here's the twist that will make you grin ear to ear. While Apple's trick only works on certain devices, our Android heroics will let you pull off call switching even between different Android phones. Yes, you read that right, not just between iPhone and iPad, but between different Android pals too. It's like a tech dream come true. Now don't go running off to check your phone just yet, because this incredible update hasn't officially dropped. But guess what? Our Android insider, the mighty Michelle Rahman, has dropped some hints. Apparently, you'll soon find a shiny new Link Your Device feature right in your settings. Head to the magical land of devices and sharing, and you might just discover this amazing gem waiting for you. Get ready to embrace the future, my friends. Android's about to unleash a symphony of connections that'll leave you grinning from ear to ear. Until then, stay tuned and keep your eyes peeled. Peace out.